Hi everybody, it's Mikey from Usuallybrokencars, and today we're working on the UK's cheapest Golf GTI, and as always I've broken it in some way. So today we've got no boost, and the chances are it's probably this piece here. So this is a diverter valve, but this is a slightly different diverter valve. So this diverter valve is an open vent diverter valve. So what we will get from this, hopefully, is dump valve noises as well as a fix. So what we're going to need to do, get the car up in the air, let's get into it. So the diverter valve, what does it actually do? So with the TSFI engines that VW Audi Group make, the boost is actually diverted using a component similar to this, and I'll show you when we get it off, background. So the problem I've got at the moment is I've got no boost. There's a diaphragm inside that splits. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this bit, which has got a piston inside it as opposed to a diaphragm. So if we come here, and Callum points the camera up here, we can see the unit here. So all it is one plug and 3 bolts. So we'll get it off. Okay, so you're going to need probably a little pick or something and awkward long arms to get into the plug, to get the plug off. And ours is full of oil. So that's probably why she's not working. So hopefully we don't need a diverter valve as well. But yeah, I don't know if you can get in there, Cal, and see all that oil. Good out. Okay, well hopefully it's just where the diverter's split. Next, we're going to need a 5mm Allen key. Whether you want to do it as a ratchet or extension, etc. There's the 3 bolts that hold it in place. Okay. Oh, there you go. Right, so that's it. That's your valve. Cameraman Callum comes and has a look. I was expecting that to be split, but it's not. That's worrying. So as you can see, there is actually a split in this, and that's where our boost will be going. So fingers crossed, that is the problem. In the package we have got a plunger, we've got new hardware and a new spring. So we'll take the spring out of the old one, put the new spring in. I'm guessing it's a different tension. Plunger over the top. This now sits over the top of here, like so. And then the bolts will go through and hold it in place. There we go. One in. Yeah, so do feel free.
Cái trời ơi, chẳng bật nói vậy.
Is that going on? I can't tell. Thanks, good. That's that on. Okay, so some of you noticed the jump packs on there, but it's fitted. It was 3 bolts. There was a split in the diaphragm, so that hopefully answers the questions. My only concern is the oil that was in the plug. but I didn't have any fault codes coming up. So let's start her up. Hopefully, we'll see if we are. Under load to get the boost. So, no boost, no problems. 3 bolts, 1 plug, she's boosting again. It's about time, because I've been driving like it probably about a month without any boost. The only thing is I'm not hearing this dump valve that I'm supposed to be getting with the open vent, so we shall see. Maybe it'll get better over time, I don't know. Maybe I have to drive it a bit harder. But either way, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next episode.